What if you could run an online store without owning any products? Imagine selling popular items directly to customers while a supplier handles inventory and shipping. This is the power of dropshipping. Today, we will break down exactly how it works, step by step, so you can start your e-commerce journey. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you do not keep products in stock. When a customer orders from your store, you buy the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to them. You act as the middleman, earning a profit margin in this low-risk, low-cost business model. Here is how to get started. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Look for high-ticket items between $200 and $2,000 that offer bigger margins and consistent demand, like furniture, fitness equipment, or home improvement. Step 2. Research your competitors. Analyze their strategies, pricing, and marketing to identify market gaps and differentiate your store. Step 3. Build your online store using platforms like Shopify. Customize your site, set prices, and configure payment and shipping. A well-designed, fast-loading store with high-quality images is crucial. Include clear trust signals like a phone number, customer reviews, and secure checkout badges. Step 4. Get approved with reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping, such as Zendrop and CJ Dropshipping. They connect you to manufacturers and handle fulfillment. Look for fast processing times, good communication, and high-quality products. Always order samples if possible. Step 5. Optimize your store for conversions. Make sure product descriptions are unique and highlight benefits, not just features. Add customer reviews to build credibility. Step 6. Drive buyer traffic using social media, SEO, content marketing, or paid advertising like TikTok and Facebook ads. Create engaging video ads with strong hooks in the first few seconds. Step 7. Automate and scale. Once you make consistent sales, use tools like AutoDS to automate fulfillment. Continuously analyze your data, doubling down on best-selling products and effective traffic sources. Dropshipping evolves, so continuous research and testing are essential. Ultimately, it is about building a brand and providing an amazing customer experience so buyers return. If you want a sustainable way to make money online with low startup costs and the flexibility to work from anywhere, dropshipping is your answer. Subscribe and follow for more valuable insights, and hit that button now so you never miss future guides.